Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a broken golf iron. First, carefully examine your golf iron to understand the extent of the damage. Look closely at the club head for any cracks or significant bends. Next, inspect the shaft for breaks or deep gouges. Also, check if the ferrule is loose or missing. Finally, assess the grip for any tears or excessive wear. This initial assessment is crucial for determining the right repair approach. If your club head is loose or detached, you can often reattach it. Begin by thoroughly cleaning the shaft tip and the inside of the hosel with acetone to remove old epoxy and debris. Then, apply a specialized golf club epoxy evenly to both surfaces. Carefully insert the shaft into the hosel, ensuring it's perfectly aligned. Let the epoxy cure fully for a minimum of 24 hours before using the club. A worn grip can significantly impact your game, but it's an easy fix. First, carefully remove the old grip and any underlying tape using a utility knife. Next, apply fresh, double-sided grip tape to the shaft, ensuring full coverage. Generously lubricate both the inside of your new grip and the tape with grip solvent. Finally, slide the new grip onto the shaft, making sure it's perfectly straight before the solvent dries. While many minor repairs are DIY-friendly, some damage requires professional attention. If your shaft has severe bends or deep cracks, it's best to consult a club fitter. Similarly, significant club head damage, such as large dents or face cracks, often means the club is beyond home repair. Professionals have specialized tools and expertise to ensure your club's safety and optimal performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.